Right, so today I'll show you how to pair the Razer BlackShark V2 Pros to your Windows PC or laptop without the dongle. Okay, so you can actually connect this to your computer without a dongle. And to do that, the first thing you need to do is go to the Bluetooth settings of your Windows computer. So I'm going to go to the Start button, go to Settings. Under Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices. And then let's go ahead and add a device. And then you're going to go for the first option, which includes mice, keyboards, pens, audio devices, controllers, and more. So that's what you want to click on. And now my PC is scanning for Bluetooth devices. So in order for my headphones to be found, I need to turn them on and put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. So to do that, make sure the headphones are off first. And then you want to find this power button, this one right here. So you want to press and hold that power button until you see a blue light blinking. So it's going to start with green, and then it's going to blink blue. That means they're now in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now on your Windows PC, you will see that Bluetooth headset has been detected. You can click on that and they should get connected. Once they get connected, that light will stop blinking and is now going to be a steady light. Okay, and it's going to be blue to show that it's actually a Bluetooth connection and not a connection via the dongle. Simple as that. So the Razer BlackShark V2 Pros are connected. Just click on Done and close this. You can now also do an extra step by going to the sound settings and making sure that the headphones are set as the default sound output device. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.